If you want to build a brand that lasts, you can't rely on one platform, one product, or one trend. The strongest creators and entrepreneurs don't build random content, they build ecosystems. A personal ecosystem is the network of your ideas, platforms, offers, and audience relationships, all working together to support each other. It's what allows you to grow sustainably, even when algorithms change or trends fade. Step 1. Think like a system, not a solo act. Most creators operate in fragments. They post content here, launch something there, but nothing connects. A personal ecosystem means everything you do, every post, product, and platform is strategically linked. Your social media builds awareness, your email builds trust, your offers create transformation. And your audience moves smoothly through that journey, from follower to fan to client. Step 2. Create a core message that powers everything. Every ecosystem needs an energy source, and for your brand, that's your core message. Your core message is the central idea that runs through everything you create. It's the belief your brand stands for and the transformation you help people experience. When your message is clear, every piece of content reinforces it. Your ideas compound instead of compete. Step 3. Map out your value path. Think of your ecosystem as a journey. Each step your audience takes should naturally lead to the next. Free content brings awareness. A lead magnet or newsletter builds connection. A low-cost product builds trust. A premium program or service delivers transformation. You're not forcing sales, you're guiding growth. Step 4. Diversify platforms but keep one home base. Your ecosystem doesn't mean you need to be everywhere. It means every channel has a purpose. Use social media for visibility. It's where people discover you. Use your website or newsletter as your home base. It's where you own your audience. When you control the relationship, you control your growth. Step 5. Build products that support each other. In a healthy ecosystem, your offers aren't isolated, they're connected. Your intro offer prepares people for your main offer. Your main offer graduates them into a community or advanced program. This isn't just good marketing, it's good service. You're helping people keep growing. Step 6. Automate and systemize flow. Once your ecosystem is designed, you can set up systems that move people through it automatically. That might mean email sequences that nurture trust, content that links back to your offers, or workflows that deliver resources instantly. Automation doesn't replace authenticity, it protects it. Step 7. Evolve with intention. Ecosystems aren't static, they grow, shift, and adapt, just like you. As your brand evolves, new ideas or products will enter your system. Always ask, how does this connect back to my message, my mission, and my audience's journey? When everything aligns, growth feels effortless. A personal ecosystem means your ideas don't disappear after one post. They stack, reinforce, and expand your influence over time. You're not hustling harder, you're connecting smarter. Because when your message, content, and offers all work together, you don't just grow an audience, you build an empire.